Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn Array Operations API. This is MongoDB specific API. It will not work on other SQL databases. It is useful to perform push, pull, PullAll, AddToSet, pop and set operations on array properties on the document. We can use update by ID API also. But when two users tries to update the same document from UI, chances are that one of them will override changes of other person. Array operations are atomic and they will be performed directly in the database, so no one's data will be overridden. So we have this type of data. We have one object which has customer ID 1, that ID, some ages, some hobbies, distant and address field. In ages, we have three objects. Let's perform push operation in ages. We'll go to array operations. It is put API. We'll place the body. It will try to find object which is having customer ID. After that, it will push this object in the ages property. Now we have four objects. Let's go back to original document and we can see we have one new object there. Let's use pull operation to remove objects from the array. So operation is pull, path is ages, and here query to remove, instead of array we need to pass the object. First it will try to find documents with customer ID 1. After that it will go inside the ages array and try to remove all the objects which matches this condition. Let's send this, and it removed our previously inserted object from the array. Now let's see PullAll operation. For that, let's insert data first. So with the push operation, we are inserting few objects which age is 33. Inserting one more object. Age is 32, but birth year is 1990. So it is this one. Now let's use PullAll operation. Here we are giving birth year 1989. When we send that, it will remove all the objects which are exactly matched with this object. So PullAll operation and pull operation both are different. Pull operation tries to query the objects and find the matched objects and remove them. PullAll matches the exact same object. Let's say in pull operation, if we just provide age 33, this object would have been removed. Let's see AddToSet example. Operation AddToSet, path is ages, and data to push is going to be object, and our previous object is 33, birth year 1989, country 1. Let's send it. It inserted this age. Now again send it, again send it. So AddToSet will perform the same push operation, but if the same object already present in the array, it will not push it again. Pop operation is useful to remove items of the array either from beginning or from the end. So in operation we will write pop, path is ages, and we'll just write direction to 1. See, the last 1989 item is removed, the 33 is removed. Now if we provide direction as a -1, it will remove from the beginning. Let's see set operator. So in operations, operation is going to be set. Here we need new property named ArrayFilters, which will accept the array. After that, we'll have one more property, DataToSet. That's it. Okay. In ArrayFilters, it is used to filter objects from the array. So we'll start the object and we'll say, let's guess the item of the array is called as item dot birth year, and let's say it is 1989. This one. Okay. Now age is, let's say, 21. So if that condition matches, we want ages dot dollar in bracket item. Whatever value we have here, item, then it is item. And inside that, we want to set country ID to, let's say, 100. Now let's perform select operation also for all the objects. In select, we want to select ages property to 1, or we can pass it as a like this also. Now let's send it. So we see country ID is updated inside the array. So first it will find all the documents which has customer ID 1. After that, it will perform find operation in the array based on these conditions. It will first find the item with birth year 1989 and item with age 21. So 1989 and 21. And after that, it will set this data. So age, that means this property name, dollar field name, which is this item, and then country ID, which we want to update here, and value, which is 100. Now let's make it 200, update it, it is done. This is how it works. In this operations array, we can mix and match multiple operations also. For example, I have prepared this object. So in this, we have 3 operations to be performed. So first it will find all the documents which has customer ID 1, and after that it will perform these operations on them. Now first it will push age with 33 1989. After that, it will again perform push operation, but this time it will push multiple objects, 34, 35, 36 age. After that, it will perform pull operation and remove all the object has a 36 age. So basically in the end, it will insert 33, 34, 35 because this one will be removed. Let's press send button. So in a response, we see 3 arrays and all of them represents our 3 operations. The last one shows the last stage of the age array. So in this, we can see we have inserted 33, 34 and 35, but 36 also removed like this. Let's see our original example here, and while we send this, we will refresh our data and see it has 33, 34 and 35, not age 36. So this is how we can send multiple operations also in single API call. So when you just want to modify arrays in MongoDB documents, try to use this Array Operations API instead of Put API or Update by ID API.